Okay. Assalamualaikum. Very good morning. Okay. Before we start with the angles between two planes and a line and plane, I would like to do for the exercise 10. So exercise 10, given the we have to find the Cartesian equation of plane through a point, and then it say that perpendicular to the line. Okay. So since it's perpendicular to the line, it means we're gonna have to take it the normal for the plane. So should we have a normal here? So bila plane adalah perpendicular to the line, it means your normal will be parallel to the V. So from this time we're gonna have V. Dia akan jadi parallel to the V. Okay, so bila parallel to V, it means kamu boleh pinjam V daripada line tu untuk jadi kita punya normal. So directly from the line we have it the V here. So your V equal with 2I plus 3J minus K. So this one will be equal to your normal vector. So we have it A, which is I plus 2J plus 3K. So we have to find the Cartesian equation for the line, for the plane. So we can have X, Y, Z. And then N will be 2, 3, negative 1. And then A will be 1, 2, 3. So directly we have 2x plus 3y minus z. So we can have on the right hand side, we have it 5. Okay, so this one is your Cartesian equation. Okay, clear semua orang?
Clear, Miss.
Okay, alright. So next, we proceed with the last two parts of vector. So which is number 4, angles between two planes and a line and planes. So first case adalah yang ini, between two planes. Second case, we have it this one. Okay, so let's say we go through for the first case, angle between two planes. So we will use inverse cos as usual. But for plane, kamu kena ingat, plane dia akan encounter dengan normal. So we have it N1 and N2. Okay, so it's mean we're gonna have your theta equal to inverse cos of N1 dot N2 over magnitude N1, magnitude N2. Okay, and then I'll write here, which is your remark, if your normal is perpendicular to each other, its mean dot product will be equal to 0. If parallel to each other, we have cross product equal to 0. Okay, salin dulu. Okay, then.
Sudah, Miss.
Okay.
Miss.
Alright, example 11a, which is we want to find the angle between two planes and it say that acute angle. It means your answer must be less than 90 degree. Okay, so first of all, we have to find the n first. So n1, we can have I plus 5j plus k. This is we get from this part. And then your n2, from this equation, you can have 2i minus j plus 2k. So find the magnitude first. So directly we have it square root of 27. And then magnitude n2, which is we have square root 4 plus 1 plus 4. Directly we have it square root 9 equal to 3. Okay, the dot product. So n1 will be 1, 5, 1. n2 which is 2, negative 1, 2. So we have it 2 minus 5 plus 2 will be equal to negative 1. Okay, so substitute into the formula. we have it inverse cos of the dot product over magnitude N1, magnitude N2. So directly kita dapat berapa? The answer we will get berapa nilai dia in degree?
93.68.
3.68 degree. Okay. So is it acute angle for this angle? Acute
No.
tak?
No.
Okay. So it means you have to minus with 180. So your acute angle will be 180 minus 93.68. So directly we have 86.32 degree. Okay, so that's how we solve for 11A. So first cari dulu normal and then find the magnitude, find the dot product and then substitute into the formula. Kalau soalan tak minta acute angle, it means kita akan sampai sini sahaja. Tapi sebabkan dia minta acute angle, you have to give until this part. Okay, 11A done. Now next 11B. Yeah, 11B. Okay, 11B where we have it. Find the angle between two planes as well. So first cari dulu normal. The first normal will be 3I minus 2J plus 5K. The second normal where we have it 4I plus 2J minus K. So find the magnitude for each of that. And then find the product. Okay, cari dulu. Saya bagi kamu 2 minit. Okay, magnitude N1 dapat berapa?
Square root 38.
38. Square, magnitude N2.
Square root 21.
21. Okay, good. Dot product
3.
3. So substitute into the formula, we have 3 over square root 38, square root 21, directly we have it. The angle will be 83.90. Okay. So semua orang dapat yang ni?
Dapat
Miss.
Okay. So we try for the 11C, the same pattern. Cari dulu N1, cari dulu N2. Okay, magnitude N1 dapat berapa?
5.
5, which is square root 25 equal to 5. Magnitude of N2?
Square root 14.
Okay, square root 14. So we have the dot product which is equal to 11. So it will be 11 over 5 square root 14 So directly we will get the answer, which is 53.99 degree. Okay. Okay, Toi. Okay, next, which is angle between a plane and a line. Okay, before we go through for the second case, I would like to do some recap. Okay, so basically untuk vector, untuk cari angle in vector, kamu akan encounter dengan 3 benda. 1, 2, 3. First adalah angle between line. 2 lines. Okay, so kalau 2 lines, dia akan encounter dengan V1, V2. Okay, and then second adalah yang baru kita belajar adalah angle between 2 planes, which is kita akan encounter dengan N1 dan N2. And then the third one, which is angle between a line and a plane. For this one, you will encounter with V and N. V daripada line, N daripada plane. Okay, so kalau yang the first and second, directly kita akan dapat terus angle dengan inverse cos of dot product. Dot product magnitude. Okay, magnitude. Okay. Tapi untuk yang ketiga, kamu akan dapat starting adalah alpha dulu. N dot V over magnitude N, magnitude V. Theta adalah 90 tolak dengan alpha. So jawapan akhir kamu adalah yang ini. Okay. The first two cases, jawapan akhir adalah theta. Tak ada masalah. Direct dapat jawapan. Tapi untuk the third case, kita mesti tolak daripada 90 dahulu sebelum kita dapat jawapan akhir. Okay. So take note for this one. So itu adalah perbezaan antara two lines, two planes dan juga a line dan juga a plane. Okay. So we go through for the theory here. Okay. So kenapa saya cakap tolak daripada 90 adalah based on the formula inverse cos, dia adalah alpha. Okay, which is cos adalah adjacent of hypotenuse. So in alpha adalah inverse cos of N dot V over magnitude and magnitude V. Tapi kamu nak cari alpha theta di sini. So theta will be equal to 90 minus alpha. Okay, that's why we have to minus with 90 sebab yang kamu nak cari adalah angle between line dan juga plane. Ini adalah plane. Okay, so in order to find this angle, you have to minus from 90 degree. 90 degree tolak theta alpha di sini, kita akan dapat theta di sini. Okay, so first of all, cari dulu N, cari dulu V, find the magnitude for both vectors. And then kita akan cari dot product. Lepas tu kita akan masuk dalam formula yang ini. Baru kita akan dapat jawapan akhir dengan tolak daripada 90. Okay. Right. So let's try a few examples. So example 12A. Find the angle between a line which parallel to the vector 2i minus j and the plane here. Okay. So basically kita nak cari angle plane di mana kita ada line. Line ni adalah parallel dengan vektor satu lagi. So dekat sini dia dah cakap vektor dia adalah 2i minus j. So line di sini parallel to 2i minus j. So we can take it this one as in your V. Okay. And then we can have it from this one will be your N. So V kita adalah 2i minus j and then your N which is 3i plus 4k. So from that we can have it the magnitude for V which is square root of 4 plus 1. Directly we have square root of 5 and then magnitude for N will be square root of 9 plus 16 which is square root of 25. will be 5. Okay, find the dot product. Dot product of N and V. So we're gonna have 3, 1, 3, 0, 4. And then 2, negative 1, 0. So directly we're gonna have, which is 6 plus 0 plus 0. So we get 6. So find the alpha first. So the inverse cos of 6 over 5 square root 5. Okay, dapat berapa alpha kita? Alpha akan dapat
57.54 kah?
okay, 57.54 degree. So to get the angle between line and the plane, so 90 minus 57.54, directly we're going to have the value which is 32.46 degree. Okay, so bahagian yang perlu tolak hanyalah pada line dan juga plane. Kalau dua-dua benda yang sama tak perlu tolak. Directly kita akan dapat jawapan daripada inverse cos. Okay. Okay, so let's move to 12B. Okay, salin dulu.
Miss,
Ya.
yang alpha tuh alpha cos negatif 1 yang 6 di atas tuh, ah.
Ha.
Itu n times b kan?
N dot B, tak ada times.
Oh ya, sorry, Wah. Jadi itu bukan 6 kah, Miss? Bukan 12 kah?
Kenapa 12?
Sob, di sini nih 6 tambah 0 tambah 0 tambah 6.
Ya. Ni saya tersalah. Ni sepatutnya equal.
Plus should be equal, Miss.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
Should
sorry,
be
Miss.
equal.
Saya enggak fokus.
Okay. Should be equal. Okay, clear so far?
Miss,
Ya.
R itu ialah apa?
R ni,
Ah,
ini this one is a random point which is X, Y, Z. Random point on the plane.
Yeah, Miss.
oh, okay. Okay,
Okay,
Miss.
random point on the plane. Okay. Alright, so move to 12B where we have it the same pattern. Find the angle between straight line and the plane. So we have it the V first. So V kita akan dapat daripada ini. And then your N we can get from this one. Okay, so V adalah 4I plus K. And then your N which is I plus J minus 3K. So magnitude for V will be square root of 16 plus 1. Directly we have square root of 17. Magnitude for N will be 1 plus 1 plus 9. Will be square root of 11. Okay, so the dot product we're gonna have 4, 0, 1. Be 4 plus 0 minus 3, so we get 1. So your alpha will be equal to inverse cos of 1 over magnitude V adalah 17, square root 17, square root 11. Kita dapat berapa alpha kamu?
$85.81.
85.81. Okay. So this one should be 85.81 from 90. So you will get 4.19 degree. Okay. Ingat antara hanya line dan juga plane sahaja yang ada alpha. Other than that, direct dapat jawapan. Unless kalau dia minta acute angle. Acute angle mesti tolak daripada 180. Okay. Alright, so that one done for finding angle between two planes and a straight line with the plane. So the last part where we have it, find the point of intersection line dan juga plane. Okay, so untuk dapatkan intersection, I wrote some step for you. Okay, ni salin dulu. So we have 3 steps. So starting mesti tulis dahulu equation of plane kamu adalah in term of CE. Ini ada equation of plane. And the equation of line in PE. Okay, so we have it. This one will be x Okay. So step one, make sure equation of plane in Cartesian equation. Equation of line must be in parametric equation. Then step two, we will substitute the equation of line here. Di sini akan substitute ke dalam plane. So we will substitute into the z, into the y, and then into the x. So everything must be in term of t. So bila semua dah dalam bentuk t, baru kita akan dapat value of t. Kita boleh cari value of t here. Okay, so once you have the value for t, kita akan substitute balik value of t ke dalam equation of line. Substitute t ke dalam equation of line untuk dapatkan point of intersection. Okay, so that's how we solve for intersection between line and plane. Shall we proceed to example?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Kasih jalan.
Okay, alright. Example 13a. So given first part, which is find the vector equation of the plane, of the line. Vector equation of the line passing through point here and then perpendicular to the plane. So bermaksud kalau kita lukis bentuk dia adalah we have a plane here and then we have to find the line that passing through a point perpendicular to the plane. So untuk line kita perlukan A dan juga V. So A di sini dah ada dah. Ini A kita. So untuk V, kita tahu line perpendicular to the plane. So bila line perpendicular to plane, it means your normal will be parallel to V. So you can have it the V by this plane. Kita boleh pinjam daripada normal plane. So your V will be equal to 2i minus j plus k. Okay, so we have it A, we have it V. So by vector equation of line, we have it R equal to A plus dV. So we're gonna have 3i plus j plus 2k for the A plus t, V kita adalah 2i minus j plus k. So vector equation must be in term of ijk. Dia tak boleh dalam column matrix, dia tak boleh dalam bentuk koordinat. Dia mesti dalam bentuk ijk. Sebab tu dia panggil vector. Okay. So we have then find the vector equation of line. Now we have to find the point of intersection of this line and plane. So it means you have to change from VE to be Cartesian first. Parametric first. So for parametric equation of line, we're gonna have x equal to 3 plus 2t, y equal to 1 minus t, z equal to 2 plus t. Okay, so this is parametric of line. Okay, next, we have to substitute this part into the plane. So plane make sure tukar kepada Cartesian. So from r dot 2i minus j plus k equal with 4, we change to Cartesian first. So we're going to have 2x minus y plus z equal to 4. So this is your Cartesian. So we will substitute this part into this one. Okay, so substitute kita akan dapat 2 times 3 plus 2t by substitute the x into here minus y, which is 1 minus t, plus z will be 2 plus t equal with 4. So everything here in term of t. So simplify kan dia. Kita akan dapat 6 plus 4t minus 1 plus t plus 2t plus 2 plus t. Okay, t kita dapat berapa? Total t. Simplify kan dia? Kita akan dapat total
6T.
t. Okay, 6t. Number kita dapat berapa on the left hand side? We have 6, -1 and 2.
5.
5. Are you sure? 6
Negative
tolak
3.
1, 5. 5 tambah 2,
2
7.
7.
Okay. So 6t equal to -3, t will be equal to -half. So bila kita dah dapat nilai t, here, we will substitute back the value into your PE here. Kita akan masukkan dalam t di sini. Okay, so it means we're gonna have x equal to 3 plus 2 times -half. Kita cari nilai dia berapa? 1 minus -half. And then the z will be 2 plus -half. Okay, x kita dapat berapa?
4.
X dapat 4. Are you sure? 2. Okay. Y? Y kita akan dapat
3/2.
okay, 3/2. Z?
3/2.
Okay, 3/2. So, final part we have to give in term of point of intersection. It's mean in term of coordinate. So, we have it 2, 3/2, 3/2. Okay. So, that's how we solve for this one. So, first step adalah kita akan jadikan dia line of equation of line kepada PE. And then equation of plane kepada Cartesian equation, and then we have to substitute line kepada plane to find the value for t, and then directly kita akan masukkan ke dalam PE semula. Okay, so that's how we solve for example 13a. 13b. Okay, 13b, the same thing, we have to find the intersection between line and plane. So same pattern. So yang diberi adalah vector equation untuk line dan vector equation untuk plane. So first change this one to be parametric and then this one to be Cartesian. Okay, so for parametric equation of line, we can have x equal to -4 minus 2 lambda. Y we gonna have 1 minus y equal to 1. Sebab dekat sini tak ada j. So directly y equal to 1. Okay, and then the z will be 9 plus 4 lambda. Okay, so in another word here will be -2i plus 0j plus 4k. Okay, so line of equation dah ada dah. Plane tukar kepada Cartesian, we can have 2x plus 2y minus z equal to 5. So substitute the line into the plane directly, we have it 2 times -4 minus 2 lambda plus 2 times 1 minus z which is 9 plus 4 lambda equal to 5. Okay, so sebabkan y kamu 1, directly substitute 1 di sini. So we can have -8 minus 4 lambda plus 2. Okay, so lambda, we will get total on the left hand side berapa lambda kita?
-8.
-8 lambda. And then number we have -8 plus 2, -6 minus 9, we have it -15. So we bring to the right hand side, literally we end up with 20. So lambda we will get -5/2. Okay, so lambda dah dapat, apa kita buat lepas ni? What should we do?
Kita masuk dalam line 1.
Okay, so substitute balik yang ini ke dalam line. Okay, so we're gonna have your x equal with -4 minus 2 times -5/2. So your y obviously we get 1. Okay, so for the X we will get berapa?
1.
1. And then for the Z, kita akan dapat,
Negative 1.
okay, negative 1. So your coordinate will be 1, 1, negative 1. Okay, are you good? Semua orang okay?
Miss.
Okay, so basically we have done chapter 5, well done. Okay, saya nak masuk terus kepada tutorial. Tutorial yang saya nak bincang adalah 30 dan 31. Okay, soalan yang terakhir, which is covered for the angle between plane dan juga intersection. Okay, so take a look for number 30 first. So ni dah habis salin dah?
Sudah.
Sudah, okay.
Hmm.
Oh belum? Okay, salin dulu. Sementara tunggu yang salin tu, boleh tengok soalan 30 dan 31. Dah? You done?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Alright, number 30. Where we have it given two planes and a straight line. So part A, we have to find the acute angle between two planes. Okay, so find the acute angle. So antara plane dan plane, kita akan cover by N dan N. Okay, so we're gonna have N1 which is I plus 2J plus K. And then the N2 which is 2I minus J plus 4K. Okay, so find the magnitude N1 first. So we're gonna have square root of 6. And then magnitude of 2 which is square root of 4 plus 1 plus 16. We will end up square root of 21. Okay. So magnitude dah dapat. Kita nak cari dot product pula. So it will be 1, 2, 1. 2, negative 1, 4. So directly we get 4. Okay. So angle will be direct inverse cos of 4 over square root 6 square root 21. So kita dapat berapa angle dia?
69.12.
69.12 degree. Okay, so we done part A. Part B, write the equation of L in parametric form. So daripada yang diberi ini, daripada Cartesian, mesti tukar kepada parametrik. Okay, so tukar kepada parametrik. We're gonna have X equal to, so kamu kena ingat pattern dia adalah X minus A1 over V1. Y minus A2 over V2, Z minus A3 over V3. So untuk parametrik pula dia adalah X A1 plus T V1. And then Y will be A2 plus T V2, Z will be A3 plus T V3. Okay, so your A adalah yang ini. So dia mesti minus Okay, so we're gonna have X equal to 2 plus 2T. And then your Y, kita dapat berapa Y kita?
Negative
Negative
3 plus 40.
Negative 3 plus 40. And then the Z we will get
1
1.
plus 5t.
Okay, plus 5T. Okay, so we done parametric form. Hence, Find the intersection between the line with the plane 2. So plane 2 kamu adalah yang ini. So jangan salah masuk dalam equation. So we substitute the whole thing into the plane here. So directly here will be Cartesian. So terus masuk. So 2 times 2 plus 2t minus negative 3 plus 4t plus 4 times 1 plus 5t equal with 1. So simplify everything. Okay, total T kita dapat berapa?
20.
20. Sebab ini kita boleh cancel. So end up we have 20T. And then here we have 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 4 will be 11. So we 7 plus 4. Here should be 1, right? Ini sepatutnya 1. Okay. So directly we have it this one negative 10. So T will be negative half. So T dah ada, masuk balik dekat line. We're gonna have X equal to 2 plus 2 times negative half. Okay, nilai X kita dapat berapa?
1.
1.
1. Y?
Negative 5.
Negative 5. Z?
Yeah, Miss.
Z will be?
Negative 3 over 2.
Okay, negative 3 over 2. So directly your point will be 1, negative 5, negative 3 over 2. Okay. So that one part B done. Okay, part C. Part C dia nak find the Cartesian equation of the plane which is orthogonal. Orthogonal tu apa?
Perpendicular.
Okay, perpendicular. Perpendicular to the straight line
90
passes
degree.
through. Yes. Okay. So part C, dia nak cari plane, equation of plane. Okay, straight line. So we have it the point here. Point dia dah beri dekat sini. Okay, this one is your A. So since plane is perpendicular to the line, it means your normal is parallel to the V of the line. Okay, so boleh pinjam daripada line. So N dia akan jadi sama dengan V. V kita ada adalah tadi 2 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, so will be 2I plus 4J plus 5K. And then the A already given there, which is I plus 2J minus 3K. So soalan minta Cartesian equation. So it means we can have the column matrix R dot N equal to A dot N X, Y, Z for the random point. N adalah 2, 4, 5. A yang diberi adalah 1, 2, negative 3. N adalah 2, 4, 5. So on the left hand side, we have it 2x plus 4y plus 5z. On the right hand side, we have 2 plus 8 minus 15. Kita dapat berapa sebelah kanan? On the right hand side, we will get,
Negative 5.
5.
okay, negative 5. Okay. So that's it for number 31. Semua orang dapat clear?
Okay.
Okay. So that one 30. Next one adalah 31. So 31, which is part C tu dia ada bintang kat situ kan. So yang itu adalah out of syllabus actually. Tapi tak ada masalah, kita boleh buat. Okay, so take a look for number 31. So 31 where we have it. First part, find the Cartesian equation of the plane one. It says that the plane one we have it. Ini plane one kita. So contain a line L with the vector equation RT. Okay, and then we have a point here P. Okay, untuk dapatkan plane one, apa yang kita perlukan untuk dapatkan equation of plane? Equation of plane kita perlukan apa? Apa kita perlukan? Equation of plane. Kalau line A dan V, kalau plane
N.
A dan N. Okay. So A dah ada dah dekat sini. Ini adalah A kamu. So to find the N, so we can have it, the point P, we have to get the two factors first. Sebab normal adalah ke atas. Ini normal. So to get the normal, from the line, dekat line kita ada V. Okay, dekat line ni, direction vector kita apa? V kita apa? What is our V? Daripada equation line yang diberi, apa V kita?
J je Miss.
J je. So dia punya position vector dia apa? So we gonna have
1.
J sahaja. Okay. So I dan K 0. Okay. Ataupun in coordinate we gonna have 0, 1, 0. Okay. Point dekat line apa? Boleh dapat tak point dekat sini? Koordinat untuk point A pada line ni. Apa koordinat kita? Dia ada mention tak kat sini? Ada ke tak? 3. Ini point pada plane. This one point on plane.
0,
Okay.
Miss.
0 sebab dia tak ada mention
kan?
apa-apa. So
Ya,
A adalah 0,
Oh.
0, 0. Okay. So ini point pada plane, yang ini adalah point pada line. Okay, this one point on line. Okay, so to get the normal, we can take it, the cross product of V. So V, kita dah ada dah dekat sini, ni V kita. And then to get another vector adalah daripada fixed point pada line kepada P. So to get the position vector of A to P adalah, it's mean 3, -1, 2, -0, 0. So directly kita akan dapat dia adalah 3, -1, 2. So this one I let as the AP. Okay. So by cross product IJK, so V kita adalah 0, 1, 0, and then AP kita adalah 3, -1, 2. Okay, so for the I component, we're gonna have 2 minus 0 I, and then for the J component will be 0 minus 0, and then for the K component kita dapat berapa? K component
0 minus 3.
0 minus 3. Okay, so directly your normal vector will be 2i minus 3k. So n dah ada, p dah ada, a dah ada. So directly we can have it r dot n equal to a dot n. So ini bahagian a. So we have it x, y, z. Normal kita adalah 2, 0, -3. A kita adalah di sini. 3, -1, 2. N adalah 2, 0, negative 3. Okay, so simplified, we're going to have 2x minus 3z equal with 6 minus 6. So 2x minus 3z equal with 0. Okay, so that's how we have it for the plane one. So ini adalah untuk plane one. Okay, part B. Given a second plane with this equation and then we have to find the angle. Okay, so part B, find the angle. So N1 kita tahu daripada plane 1, daripada ini, dia adalah 2i minus 3k. And then N2 kita apa? What is our N2?
I
One
plus 2j
I plus
3k.
2j plus 3k. Okay. Find the magnitude N1, kita dapat berapa? Dan N2. Magnitude N1 kita dapat square root of 13. Magnitude N2?
Square root 14.
Square root 14. Okay. So dot product N1 dot N2. So we're going to have 2, 0, negative 3. And then 1, 2, 3. So directly we have it 2 minus 9. Minus, here should be negative 3. Okay, so we're gonna have negative 7. Okay, so your theta will be inverse cos of negative 7 over square root 13 square root 14. Okay, kita dapat berapa?
121.26.
121.
121.26.
26.
Okay, so that's how we get the angle. Okay, part C. Okay, part C yang problem ni. Part C yang critical. Okay, find the vector equation of the line of intersection between two planes. Okay, so dia nak equation of line. Dia bukan nak point of intersection, dia nak equation of line. So let's say we have the intersection between two planes, bentuk dia seperti ini. So let's say we have it something like this. Okay, so you have to find, ini adalah intersection, dia nak cari line di sini. Okay, so to find the line, we have it to find your A and V. Okay, so V tak ada masalah. V kita boleh dapat daripada cross product antara normal. Okay, kita cari V dulu. So V will be cross product of N1 and N2. So N1 kita adalah pi JK. So will be 2, 0, negative 3. And then N2 adalah 1, 2, 3. Okay, so kita akan dapat dia adalah for I component we have 0 plus 6. For the J component we have 6 plus 3. And then for the K component we have 4 minus 0. So end up we have 6I minus 9J plus 4K. Okay, V dah dapat. Okay, how to find the A? So A adalah in point of intersection. Ini adalah point of intersection of two planes. Okay, so plane 1 adalah, so your plane 1 which is 2x minus 3z equal to 0. And plane 2 given dia adalah, plane 2 kita x plus 2y plus 3z. X plus 2y plus 3z equal to 4, isn't it? Yeah, 4. Okay, so kita akan masukkan plane 1 ke dalam plane 2. Okay, so I'll let 3z as a subject first. So saya akan masukkan yang ini ke dalam ini. So directly we have x plus 2y plus 2x equal to 4. So directly we have 3x plus 2y equal to 4. Okay, at this point, kita akan assume, okay, sebab pada plane, on plane, there could be any coordinate. Macam-macam coordinate ada atas plane. Okay, so kamu boleh assume satu coordinate. Let's say kita akan assume coordinate satu adalah x equal to 0. Okay, so we let, kalau kamu nak let y equal to 0 boleh, z equal to 0 pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Yang penting salah satu 0 untuk menyenangkan kita cari koordinat. Okay, so let's say I let the x equal to 0. So directly from first equation and the second equation here, we can have it the value for z and y. So from x equal to 0, kalau kita masukkan ke dalam second equation, we gonna have 2y plus equal to 4. So y dia akan dapat 2. And then for the first equation, directly kita tahu z dia akan dapat 0. So koordinat kita dah tahu dah. Koordinat A kamu adalah 2j. Ataupun dia adalah 0 to 0. So bila dah ada A, bila dah ada V, directly kita boleh dapat equation of line. Okay, so by R equal to A plus TV, so we're gonna have, soalan minta in term of apa? Vector equation. Okay, vector equation. So R equal to A plus TV. So we be 2J plus T times 6I minus 9J plus 4. Okay, is that clear? Especially bahagian let ni. This one could be, kamu boleh assume ataupun let z equal to 0 boleh, ataupun y equal to 0 pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Okay, are you clear enough for this question?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, yang lain okay tak? Ke dah tidur dah tu?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Alright, so basically we have done chapter 5. So tutorial saya akan bincang habis semua by this week. Kena habiskan semua. Okay. So make sure keep on buat tutorial. Ada masalah kita akan bincang. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
Alright. Okay. So I will see you later and tomorrow then. Take care. Bye bye.